Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
Happy independence to you. Or now we there abroad now get independent, because Nigeria itself not get independent. You know the famous. No one talk about those one. Today, this morning, it's a very quick one, it's a very short one. I'm sure this video will go over a day. It's a very short one. A message to about obazee and the uwalia. You understand? I do I go more to Bogbe. Understand? Obo akpegbo only boy you. If we know we manage so if we move, man, there are homati or Katikati do yago, abati watiere, Iruwala wolo tuta. Adazoma siasi, dumezi do yedu, awuno tuta. Imagili gwegwa sis ni matana kesu kene ade, ya lati fena gwegwa kene. De to mi kwe kere. Oma me go oma yi ma we na mi wa ra na mi iji no rowa na mi lele do. Igo na ya egbe na ke na kede ni igo jago sono ni. Understand na? Na we ta se de ogwe adaze wo lokoko wo wa de zinamio. Leva se va o me go pe igwe. Do wana gile o me go. Zebe na ya waji. Wakoyo. Abati we hinga bogo go hunda we oso wana so here one e we hin. You understand? O ya no gbini yobo e o we hin. Agbo ya Ozwa my moki, my young hair all women women. I wake her no women. Understand? In Pali come away about no yabaze. Useti Guimanu ra, even no fear with you. Walk by do. Understand me now? Wada we ho. Eba we hear how we there we on you. Or June we hon ne destiny ladia. Destiny Ladian. The main person no where move of if you know where destiny or where la move. That gag moenia. About my gag move. The home where we are not check being oviedo. I want to read the year when I read the all our bro. No many my yak back on ya hinwe. A year and I read the red to hear me. All throughout this year. We have a period when it be you. A period we have for throughout the years. Eka, any tayoji, looking at you know way, looking at you know what, looking at you neck boy, looking at you the boy. If we no buy, we no buy what I have me over. Okoba looking at soon with boy, only murder the one. Okoba looking at soon with you, walking out on the Juba walk away. Walking at Uga by mistake in way yo or a man. Una you are mistaken mo yo oga manu but uga ba we hunda we ni taw gin we gbe hunda wo keri awo o balo yan ba o yan me ne biyo ni kala nga yi go ka se kumato ba to pe now o pe aran ti gbin o yedo adafe adazowa no ti gbin o yedo uwalia edumezi no yedo no wayan uwalia no uwalia wan gbe atagina kegeri adewe oya huwere kunro wodo abati ekweje guwe ladia wado atemodio wado ateveri eri amona ge president ogbe eri amona ge president ogbe ekwemuwe we no wero edu no baye as a man aso piya ni gbe ogile oho nori okuyowa abati we di okuyowa ni Omana ataginu we, you go will you be happy? Rawana ta you we be or mon we bieni. Iga wo nyamoni. But will you be happy? Waman dere di me issue noroto wana warowa. To solve the issues because of money. Undi flex. Undi flex wa ya roa. Undi flex wa gunu. Undi flex wa masati temata. Undi flex wa masati temata. Wa bo bole lo biabe. No make na ari gonuwa. Wa bo bole lo biabe. No make na mila lo boy. Ni kuina muwa. Abati wa agwale. Wini a destiny ladian. Where will the destiny ladian? Umago niru wala ya yo boss yin igbe ogagele huwe Monica. Ogagele huwe Monica. Umame meni tayo. Atale le hiya na we. Bina tayo social media na we. Oya huwere. E social media na we na hon. E social media na we na me hon we. Origono na oya gbona. Onarigono na ya gbona. But when I lad and dance, when not you go now, nor way, nor your joe with him, you know, ata. I want a row with my city Tony. The abomination to the highest level raw from the Edo land. You couldn't speak about it with your platform. Why you are supporting the figure who no wodo. There baron now, I agmanua. Utai almost go boy you are. Any car almost go boy you are. E wata noro ke pakon amagi wate wata undi la lobo undi flex undi ya 100 nuwa we community iba bona la wagbo undi ya 100 nuwa waya agwalige gege wa agwalige gege e wata wa magi ami mata noro ero wala la tian winyega sponsor ko noro wodo no ya we dini owo nuwe ma emi iban aso yedu aso dafe no enegbe 7 watie or da pharmacy no wonuma emi ban owu ga wodi any test na gele ya clarify do we onya money o wa owo zuo wa gogo ekpeturi ozo ama imoki beni megijina ido ka mu wene abati go wo ku wedi me emi ban igi ya wodi any test yomo no bie abati wa dege kini wata ye wa ya legbegbe wa legai on wa tawe ni meje. That's why you are not man enough. Wa teoga ayati mwekono kwa yari mawo biawe. Ami oneti mwekono hu wo bi oyo omwekono hu. Ami oneti mwekono hu amwekono hu abie aliko yo wana ya biawe. Ekona kenu gwa so biawe ati gwa wa. Ima gbok bi ana yo ma se ma la ha ate ma tata wu ha to ta wu e won ta ke pakon wa ate wata wa bi ku amuwa ero wala ga yin ma ho ko no rogodo we no na 20 boy no fun gbegbe yin agile on ko na agile mi ban o 20 yo agbobe bi dege e be mama sen wakayati bi mama sin wakayati be ma ke do kan ge o kan ma ge o kero wala ge o ko o ma kame o kan me gbeme so kon paron o we ni jo ma ya je o ho we no rugodo e mu ni kada o kan brusu ge iwa o nya tin atu ari no ye dokporo agyo suwen atu ari no ye dokporo no ye mu ni kare van no ye Monica gbegbe age aweru wala ge edomezi o ye do waya yiru wala iko zanzan hoa owolo egan de ma tagile no ve zeri na wini zeri yedu ru wala si ni gbe ra imawe iwe o no ya die oita emi na ifo to abati we ma dego ninu gun Wagwayo, okay now. Adam here do. Here we are making settlement. He carry la dinner tena with settlement in here making you get baba no. Settlement in ezono kwa get the gbe yidi. Em no for water. Kwa get joking no. Abati we la dinner tano denia where that's a settlement. Wakare make any with a destiny very wala. Wore e magba. The same quarter you will toria. A settlement in the Mayfo. Udere enya gabagi binwa. This are so not away. I will know when a warrior. Wa or yabu. Was here to the monade. Wag bekedu. Wag bekeduni. O cook bang yan nonya. Imota ewe a year na ya avo wayanis awala. O cook back yan wa with dinner. I'm one of being ya tie kwa or harakwa. Right now. Ameni ya harakwa na oh sema ni bugbe ya sigbe ya wa ya segwa. Ekinwado ya atu ya la diana ya vela la diana. Every day si ya govern. That's why I gbele poster ya la jamba. Eke community no area doa. E aso akira o tuto kinso atueni. Hayo no sunu. Abat wa mi mata wa tawe noje. Wa mi mata wa tawe noje. O make kinu ye do bia mu engoru okunu engoru wodo. Na alo yeke. Igo no yoma ya ori agwa igo dano. Efe no yoma ya ri agwa efe dano. Efe no yoma ri agwa ri ade efe dano. Eru wala hiae o uyo boni yedo. Beto do espawa uyo boni yedo mari mana owo no ro wodo. According to any atai ndawe awe maso. Maya ekiri makede. Dana gile mi egbe weri ona sunu abi yebi na we azuzo wedu so fane mo talaro e mo talare we e no keke na o ai we e ya we boya la wadia eru wala ma he we the money na ya tan here woto the money personality ya go down. The more this disgrace and this humiliation is coming out daily, on daily basis, the more the personality of Eruwala is going down. It's no longer funny anymore. Awena wana gbebe gwisana ri otien e san ya gbebe gwe na otien e san ya gbebe gwe na otien on a really joke. This is getting out of hand. Us here in Natawe, we need a dose in the diaspora rebrand a dose in the diaspora platform. We seriously need to rebrand a dose in the diaspora platform. Because this kind of attitude is bringing out the names of their doors. Is bringing down the names of their door. Is not helping the kingdom. You understand? Or even what do do? A bama was on wahala la viola jana. Ave community yan wayakin to talk baby. They are all coming out. It's going to be a great one, not be joke. Let me diagnose this lady. But in your community now, I post her. I will post the name I'll post their soundboard. Wow, oh my God, why one gone of those days is a chair, based for my chair, a year ago now, because why I will chair here, a guy go one. A with your home community. A with your home community. If you know you are from a with your home community, Yoruba word, a with your home community. Attention who is needed in umenmwan platform with immediate alacrity. Somebody should call me now. Cause now we know na yala diare na anyo. And we your whole community now. Good morning, my people. You understand? A community na me 5 year. A community ni. I will nyanga no so the community ni. Ya very soon. And before I bring it out, I'm going to first of all post their community. I'll post some of the things that are happening in that community so that all the those in the diaspora will be aware. And they will come out and speak about that. You understand? Uswe wanoma gyob ebomba se utedu. Uswe wanoma gyomba se utedu. Ni baba wa hen. Ni ri mama hen. Ri mama itemene. Watu taja wagese. Ri mama itemene the palace. You people will sit on top of it because you people have money. Why give any say? Those people will be fished out gradually. Being you anything as far as that I do is concerned. I don't para bonana hati gugu. Kate monoriabu me wagu egu. You understand? So if you do what work be we wanna wait now. Quick call it now. Call him must say na like if man like on a video na come call it. As I was saying, we your home community and egboko. Why down here community in measure now? Why here in a community all over all egboko children, we your home children in the diaspora. A topic why is coming very urgent. Even though we soon will tell Durana Miewe, a baba iguane, why get say. And when you wrote to toy, we want to fetch them out. Because this time around, it's not going to be easy for easy land. It's a such short message. We're going to talk about it today. And we your community, you all should get ready. About with this man, no matter don't reach my table. Okbeni matter na kere table me. I was investigating this matter since last year. I can't investigate the matter. But hoping you people will use your head. What do you use? You know, I don't answer fake accounts. Instead, I block fake accounts. I don't need to cause fake account because some fake accounts are well read, well educated, and they have wisdom and they are blessed. While some fake accounts are so idiotic and the truth is always hurting them because they are full of evil. You understand? They are full of evil. Some of these fake accounts are the rich. They hide in fake accounts. When you are talking about them, all because they are all bunch of fools. They don't want people to speak truth about them. You understand? If we not gili muwa, if we gili muwa so, okonoro wodo, oma we way, our way, all this way. Why go ibiedo? Adeboye yati ya or bold so Galicious native daughter. No when you Roma say Monica ne, uwalia ibona. No when you Roma say Monica ni la lo we la si we yo we si pion inwe okonoro wodo. Now awero wala be jone owe jigyo wa eno ya wewa okonoro wodo. Giata wete rianti lolo to ba Monica wa wala wakima taberi honi. Obono yunu eta o okono to boy ye ba yunu eta. Obo we are talking about now is a traditional man. He know the implication of sleeping with a married woman. Okay, o malo wie ke married woman or wait betting you way in romance betting mo wa ye gyo as far as we romance married woman, you have committed sacrilege. Abomination where equal when detention up when you book on road where have you book and where I want to do the same okunoro wodoni o ya gbenya o ya onyanganyanga petu wani ku ma ya gbobolile. Now this is the reason why any boy na clap on hand in Monica because of yekbize glian every year of visit vi domi vi be bari evio gin wa every year vi give you wa why wa ma seti de otoria tu enenia odo tuene you sandazi eya gbojia ewe bona wa wari ya se wi oni ema ya na geleti e no nwa ya gele menwa tinya gara ya no nwa no gara ya wa mi mata wa tita o giver di yo we wa igwalo na vie picture giwa be yan sale kya yo he wa kegele yen wo kuna rea ona esaga is reality. Okay, now no make me video Monica no wa give life now a life in them solo boy away here a karma, the law of karma will definitely come. You understand? Wa yo solo boy away here solo boy every year solo boy ni maga every year kitino yi every at all. We no digging ago ni sere una mia wa gbongo we na mia iga gbongo we o.
DNA is loading. If I were Kelly, for me to be a man and shut every UK people that are gossiping my daughter, I will go do DNA. Do DNA. If you love the woman, continue to love the woman. Behave like Oibo. You know me. It can be mistake. Hence you know, say some men, if they toast you, you will tell them say, I get boyfriend, but I'm still, we not today like that. He go say, I want take you. You don't start to do ordinary body. Men, make una learn now. If you the toast woman, the woman tell you say, I did relationship, but the relationship is complicated. Never start to the wire that woman with ordinary body.
Fair wait, make that complicated, make it cut down, make it become your own first. So that you can't wire around with ordinary body, go become. But Mama Star and Kelly and the S, Mama Star still there with S yesterday. He sleep with S yesterday. He go party the following day. Now he see Papa Kelly. From there, Papa Kelly na him nice pass. He don't follow Papa Kelly. Papa Kelly wa Mario wa ordinary body. A month he gba na yesta hama yesta where okay Papa Kelly no. Papa Kelly, if I were you, if you are my brother, you love Mama Star, good and fine. Don't let anything separate you guys. But it will not be nice that you will be loving a child everybody has story about. No. Go do the right thing, my brother. DNA in our blood is very cheap. Go do the right thing. If you know you really love your woman, make her understand. Even if we do DNA, the child is not mine. I will still love you because it's not your fault. Yes, you were Kelly as a man. You were supposed to give this woman chance to end her first relationship. Hence, you don't give her a chance to end her first relationship. Mulai. It's not her fault. If woman see two men at the same time.
Ms. Sharon, you want me to disgrace you for this social media? Ms. Sharon, you want me to disgrace you for this social media? You see, say I not block you this while. You don't say I get your number. You want me to disgrace you for this social media? You see, say I not block you all this while. If I block you, I only block one of your the other of your fake account now block. You understand? If I block you all this way, we not say when I block you. Ms. Sharon, if you don't say when I block you all this way, in every nonsense there's a sense. Those times when you were giving me information, when you were calling me, I did pick sense from some of the things where you talk. This person you be Monica fans. You be Monica PA. You be Monica personal person. A man block you and he might be disgrace you as then. But since you don't want to use your head, I will disgrace you. Ms. Sharon, I will disgrace you. If you don't want to use your head, I will bring all your fake account, come and leave with the other one. Respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself. I will die when you get a word. I will be a gano. Bed of the same feathers. Don't see your life now. Don't see your life. Married woman. Married woman. No get a word. Pack my body le. Or pack my very video ni. Okunoro word. Na bon tale le woge. Ni Monica Monica gwana mo gwana. Monica gwana Monica solicit we no worry no ri DNA again. Men Sharon ikwe na muwe. Ogis so we has on die gbe. O ma yiro gere no gbele kere ni ade. So we has on ga die gbe. O ma yiro gere no gbele like oduma do body. Even we wo ma una miamia we kawo wan na ne agi we na adu we gbe Ms. Sharon wa hia miamia we Monica wa ka be bole le Monica ya de yogo no yibe de na wa ka miamia we Monica ne yesta DNA ne orisi egbe na wa yu mu yere no na yu mu yere no yu mu na. With that, a life in my balance. A life in my balance. Those years, you were always calling me. Baba with the smile. Umadege, any party mufita. Baba with the smile. Umadege, even the tata. This man, Sharon. Baba with the smile. Or I call. Yeah, call your platform. Yeah, call your platform. Social media king. Yeah, social media president. So. Wadara gbuwa. Wadara digi yekideki gulwa. I know you people are evil. Agwesulie ba ekuye no tan alo. Ekuye no tan elo nu were Monica. That's the reason why Monica can never see one thing to say. One can never see my audio to play about umenmwan. You know the reason why? All till today, on my radio, the only day no here to go that way. No. If you're not movement by Monica, that way. No. I don't do that. Don't try that, man. You might only go. Mais Sharon, de la gmoe. You know why? Ya saga we be social media no argument we. Abu ma give real picture we. Do go on at back with this man. Don't try me. When you are respect you argument give picture we la dia. I will bring your picture come and I will tell you I take your picture. I respect the boy. You are talking with intelligent man. I will be a gas coordinate, be a gas blocker in your go go. Or what we were below we are be you are. Who don't mind be. I mean, I'm in danger. I'm going to disgrace you. Can you imagine? Monica Guana, we na highway, a danger boy. You came in danger. Are you well to fire? Ah, big bossy boy.
That one when women they say, now woman no give and belly. Now when you there with one, a woman want to no give and belly now. For you sleep with one today, you sleep with the other one tomorrow. How you want to know who give you belly for inside that kind of thing?
Men Sharon, etu we be aga Italy. Etu you go Italy. Ubi you wa single mother. Agumete ne gbe ma we. Go. Agumete ne gbe ma we my guy, my sister. Why I could respect the boy. Etu ma umenmwan very well. You know what I can do. I will not go on someone here. Yeah, that's the new generational prophet attitude of my brother. You want to be a man? If we name you, I hear you, one mama.
No, not all true.
It
will confuse you. You don't know whether not this one, whether not that one, you don't know. Because sometimes you feel sleep with this one now. This man stay there, your body never even be enter. You're going to sleep with the other one, and that other one, maybe I go come enter.
Exactly, my sister. She's talking from experience. Monica is talking here from experience. From what she experienced, that's what she's saying. Now, Odumadu body, you are requesting for DNA test from another person. You insisted, and which that person give you the DNA test. Monica, also you also give us the DNA test. With your kagbe of social media, the king of social media demanded for your DNA test of your J-Bubble. You understand? We demand your for years. You never knew that your own time will come. You understand? Now the time has come for you to also give all your kagbe of social media the DNA test of your J-Bubble. Understand me no? Because I don't let you tell me nyako kede sedo ya vasi we nuwa we DNA test ye money ya. Ambrose secure no dozo Ambrose, if Ambrose have sense, you're supposed to know say you're supposed to do DNA test for all the children, so that you will know the one that is your own, the one that is not your own. You understand? I know you have been taking the responsibility of the both, and that is the reason why you see this couple, the woman is the man. Is the one taking responsibility of both the man and the children, because he knows in a single mother. E Monica is a single mother. Monica is a big man wife, and you know the big man when she they talk about. You understand? Now, Indomie and half bag of rice. That Monica tell the bribe fans, mean that they fight for her. Oh my God. Papa, with this man, I talk. I say this year, it's a year of confession. It's a year of set loose. It's a year of freedom. Many people are going to be free. They are going to be free from bondage. Huh? Can you imagine? Vera just received freedom. About this man. Says no go kill me. Vera just received freedom. Vera supposed to be happy and celebrating that she received freedom. Because she has been in the cage. Or we give you, we have bag of rice, we do me. My lady, mommy Monica, my mommy Monica. My mommy Monica. Oh, yeah, get the day boy, we are team mommy Monica. A bomber on whom we are be. My lady, this is not even on my book. What I got? I could have you get me. Yawagi would give you why, would get in. I walk by a little bit again. It be again and sink you one way when I owe you. They are sinking you one. They do whatever you want if you are there, but every time or whenever you want there, and you wear blood money. One man will one year come there, but be again. Why do I live video do I have vessel? A mighty have a waffle. A school, am you, Wama, who Amaka. I want to go come on alphabet to write it. So bad, address what writing me. Was a language mommy in Wahoo school? Who are the language in Wahoo? A language school Wahoo, Bonjour, senior. Any on your school, why you? You not take me away if you correct. And I need be social media. A go my word, a my yak massy wide. Now, they run now, the chest, even on the chest, and what they are living people. People that are chesting for you people are left people. I told you people, you can never make it. It's time we're writing make it. With all these fake lies on social media people are creating, the more you try to cover lies, you lie more. You lie to cover lies. Arrogancy, proudness, if you are not good. Try to become who you are. Don't be posing to people that this is who you are and that is not who you really are. You know, Monica Yanni. I work with first layer, with second layer. If it's ya off what when I expect me, I will have my phone and one go wajina. Was he living in Lawin and Leke? Everything about you is going to fake. Just imagine who there. How we don't bother you now. How me no about this man. Ya have your wire well at you. Or why ya see the can have you. Ya pull a ladder. How can you imagine? A woman, Salobo, a Gumezua, Osalobo, a new month ally now, Ukbon Magina, Ukbon with freedom on him. Who does it lao in Malak, Yoguna, Lao? Egg you in radio who in a Monica. Lao, or Mukpa, you have any Mukiani Bieni, Lao, Sabo Gumen Bauge, egg you who damn in a Monica, egg you who down a Yasike, eh, Baba. Wale no you want ya. Kino ma ewe ri oku no dreamer wa neru. Nu wa ya de konko nu do aka. Wa ya de konko nu do aka ho dan ho no ri zangegbe. Oku no ri zange family no na marry. A woman that brings shame to your family. Always pray for your son that God should cover your son. You should not allow your son to go and meet a bad woman like Monica. Like Atu Arinoya Dokbolo. That pray to God. Please, God, don't allow my son to jam a woman like Omonokeke, like a Sugu Gang Association. You should not allow your son, pray that God should cover your son from all those evil women because Undan be Undan. Emokiga bie, emi mwome yahin, kijeke yabi mwome yahin. Unless I kuni ene gbeniro. koni enigbe monu ave bi ni ave enigbe aleru eru na nanu owie egire ya dekun ivie monika egire dekun mo on ave ni monika ye dagbon e o da si son la o na egire ya dekun ivie monika o yan ri e moni je era bi je yan ri ya deri akune yan ri o zan you tedone yan na done wo ge dan egbe ma be ri oni aye mi wie do ni zedo no ye po bole lo ma be ri oni e ma be ri oni o keri ya ni abati obazee umamio na ya gun kan umadego na no ti ruwala to order ni ruwala no laho oga yin ma wo ho na no we mi no keke oga yin jo nebo no laho no do yin edo na laho na mu yo to na ya binyin ma a secret ni Monica had ni ruwala e Monica wo mi ame no bi no yan ti ro o pa me no ti ro ni emu ni yuwala ijuwala o pa me ni Monica munu we ma no da fun we ta me bo mata na ba ari we yo o kin azanga da bona odo se gbi yuwala na ya pe di ọdún later o mi o pa me no bi ni emu ni yuwala ijuwala Monica we mi ni e o marriage we ni a we mi ni agu e ga ke marriage we ni a ijuwala we me go ijuwala we me go o wa no po give yan tell UK na o wa ya me no dunya fake life ijuwala we me go ijuwala we me go o wa no po give yan tell UK na o walk out no head up till now ma ye mi palo e ma ye go le palo with the house ma ye mi palo I treated no be the house or ma fin palo yo. It was unfortunate, it was just only the kitchen, bedroom, toilet. Oh God. Nigeria people, if you do, we no go be keep similar. You wala where me go when me ni me hu no we marriage wedding. Iju wala we mi ni me hu no we marriage wedding ya. Oda fun me o ma jebi no da fu wana je. Oda fun me e boni dakino. Ye me gba o siri na we wana je. E boni dakino. Iju wala we me go on the other place. Iju do you have money? Iju do you have money? I am buying my second house in UK. The first house, the architect that built the first house, they don't cut palo in that house. Oh, we don't have palo and dining in that house. Iju do you have money? Oh, I'm buying my second house in UK. This woman, you can lie. Lie news oba. Lie news. E moto o gbete me. E mo fi yan gbete me. If yan gbo my sister. If yan gbo go too much be my sister. E wa deceive. When ni Monica if yan gbese, when ni Monica de proud say. Dete Monica ge le do wa or video e. E Monica have video e or video from the ceiling to the underground. Or video ya lega or show ya lega empty hall nu wayamu owo social ni yamu nu wa awenwa e ba we de laga yo wa agama yi de you what now abu hu mi amia egenu na ari market wa no ata lo yan akemi o wero wiewe una ari kina ga yo na ata kwa gana wa mame palo that is why ga bu wa. That is why one guy will over. Also, now video palo. Why stand the studio lights? People stand the studio light, you will be palo. o stand studio like you go the parlor for them. Then only about your day to tire. No other one now the Bible. The Bible says what you want. You think you are deceiving people when you know we are all the same social media presenters. We know how we do these things. I can put my studio light then. It is stand the studio like you work on it. It will sound as if maybe I'm a diff. Any background in the show, I work on it now. Babe, you're supposed to know see me all everybody don't wise now. I'm going umenmwan. I'm going to Timo. Even when you are deceiving now. Even when I be Jimani, I be Suzuye, I be ye boy, I be ye no kokomo. All those kind of followers in Olele where you can deceive them on a verage because any man is about civilized into the industry. They never see civilized, they never see no more things about the industry. You understand? Not those when you feel still, deceive. Okay, now imagine the other day, my sister, Iye boy was saying, the Monica Mweki Destiny Ladian. If a party now, I'm going to give Iye boy making now a party now. Because my only call any time, you understand? Because when I might trust anybody, any presenters, I don't trust any presenters. That's why I don't call any presenters. Whenever I'm doing things, I do it on social media. I call the person live on social media. Hey boy, let me tell you one thing. With the Monica Mweki Destiny Ladian. Maybe many people might not know this. Majority of people know. Hey boy, Monotu Wogu a Monica Mweki Destiny Ladian. How? Et Monica poste qui décision poste YouTube man. Egene ya egume gwan oh God. I want open Lego. I go open Lego because ya open Lego now ya concerné Naija wash. Oya concerné Naija wash. Because Naija wash our country Monica revenue in all the activities Monica was doing on social media. Yeah, boy, Adam Young, my sister. If you know my yet he believe me, boy, you because boy is not aware. She doesn't know all those things. On my end, all those things, where my you listen to where where I was to live video here, I play live, I go live. You understand? I go live. On no topic, I go live. Or tell me not I go little dog. You understand? Or my all those things. So that's the reason why you have to blame me. Now we know how those things take place that year. And the person who Yamoy was Naija Wash. Because I have to yak be page in again. Naija Wash was Yamoy. Unfortunately, a lot of people have screenshot, a lot of people have already viewed. And I show here. It was posted before. Yeah, but I know you don't know. That's why I said, but so water. Oh, you are going one. Yeah, you water, but so I mean, I was where I think the boy, I think the boy, Monica Mola, my sister. Oh, my, that's why. So, why we Monica? I want to see my sister, Monica. I want to see her. Face no face the do near do I would the Monica do at your born at your age. You are a grandmother, you are a mother. Face your lily do face your program. And then go you as a mother. And then don't be sentimental. I would that way would de barona. And then I wrote go you as a mother. It may have the Murphy make a settlement that he might have that way the Murphy cool. You don't have big winner the Murphy no. If the Murphy now, if the Murphy already have been straight, just like that. Yet I don't my work who do I miss behavior who I are you. Umenmwan you life be a logan. You understand? Or what we are going to see, if it's simple. I will not criticize you when you are doing the right thing. Instead, I will encourage you. Laho, I really who. I mean, you are going to have now, especially when what concerns Monica. My own way support Monica. You can support, you can be a Monica fans. Do you know where my top fan? My top fan in Umenmwan talk show is a Monica top fan. It may open now. A fans or a Monica no. After indicate me with Monica, a woman in my one day way. In calling me say, advice no call you me. Oh no. Do you understand? The day the Monica be blasting Monica, the first day be blasting Monica. The Monica la na ogia so no tie bo we any fancy in how the women. I don't know money. I don't know money unfollow Monica. I don't know unfollow Monica. Ni ya unfollow me, ni na unfollow Monica. Ni mo ka ya tie bo ni na unfollow Monica. Oh my time no support. If I want to support anybody, you like support anybody you like. You can be a supporter of all the live video presenters. You as a woman of wisdom, as a man of wisdom, you know the people that support, that are making sense on social media. You know the one that you can dedicate your time for. You know the way you can also listen. You know the way you can also pick sense. In all live video presenters you go follow, you will see sense speak for all the nonsense when they go talk. Take the sense where you want to take, make use of them. Some things we don't want to see they happen today now. Some live video presenters don't know. They will constantly talk. If you go to their platform, you go see and there, you go use and learn. That's what this live be. So no mean I don't know everything. So wahala, abijima, wahage me, get well. Wahage me, degene mala ibela jamu ugira na maro wi wow. Do have so. When I did no waro. On na baika ye boy zuzuzi wahage me wa tell me na ye understand wahage me because he get well why me matter me ye you have verse no. But nevertheless today we're going to talk about a great topic today. If you Egbo community, if you community, guess who Agbe? A topic where I will date your program, but before then I will post some pictures out, some documents out. Why I wear a heady joke. Understand? I mean no bata be guane. Mwama gese. And secondly, I will not be in charge of the certificate nobody granted if you have community. No matter not release they Frank Irabono, we want to know. We want to know who is sitting on that certificate that was released from the palace. A palace, Obaga Guevene. Why are Dimadigo to sign signature? Why are Dimadigo from where are Dimadigo? Why are Dimadigo lands? Near Yafianua, it did. Egwaga honona, on us egwa. Kinwa do wegwa. A kinawe chief is so the wegwa home. And the funniest part, it did. Yeah, fast forward. Because the matter is that adwa adega or then he word you now. You only wear what you only have time to add there on wow no go. I go and what there on no go. I greet everybody with better style. May God bless everybody. Mr. Abat, la wu papa, e kinemeji, nona kekina tawa gatawa, e menoroto na, audio record, yak bodu, demak bodu, can destiny now where now they go no me audio. My brother, all those way they talk so that jege, that today cover up within the ground. A matter of one rising, no ya cover matter no road ground, ever rising. I'm a konya kosi. E menoroto na we uwalia we Monica. That's the issue we have at hand. Audio we have mulajani. Matter ya setone. We ma kaderi matter. Ena we keni matter. According to you, we all journalists were born a long time ago. You understand? But you man one can. So what are you talking about? Why but I don't do amulajan by now. You want to use them to cover what is on the ground. Oh, my brother, we don't want to hear that one. We don't want to hear that one. You just say that one to your fans. What do we day now? What do we need? We need DNA test. We need DNA test result of OJ boy. And secondly, my own uwalia vembo organizing in my way monica. Organizing in my way monica. We did uwalia do vembo. You wanna vote gomba or guanso guava. Organizing in my way monica. Only in my own event. You understand? You got me monica ban of vembo yo as a man. It's not too hard to do. And what we just need be that one. So that the names go clear. So that his name go clean for all these things. This guy, I for of November social media. We are more by. It look me away. It may go weird do ya with He all that in November. He said, Frank, you know they sleep. I want to sleep. What did you tell the talk? Yeah. My maid don't they work now. This me